how's it going? So today we are going to change the auto tensioner, because my one is literally squealing. I'll show you. That's the noise it's making. Last night going for driving and it sounded like there was crickets, when in actual fact it was just this. Yeah, so I probably have waken up every single person in the campsite if they weren't asleep. If they were asleep, they were awake now because of that. So what you're gonna need is a breaker bar, 19mm socket, if I remember correctly, 12mm socket, if I remember correctly. So step one is you gotta loosen the belt off. So what you do is you go on this little bastard here, okay, and you pull it. I think anti-clockwise, and it's one of the two. But yeah, you're gonna need some force to take it off. Once it's off, you can basically start doing it. What you got is you got two bolts. Right, you got one on the bottom here. It's there. The very top of it. I can just very top right there. Okay, that's the second one. Yep, that is like a shot bearing for sure. So that is shot, as you can hear. Done. So hopefully that will be the end of my Jiminy Cricket over here. Stop squealing. And you can tell that's much more better. Always double check. Yeah, she's about the same. Step 3, installing it, which is going to be interesting. So you can try to slide it in somehow and not let it drop you in your face. That'll be an awesome bonus. And not get dust in your way, hey. So once you slide it in behind the fan, past the fan and all that, you put the first bolt in, which is good. There you go. She's in. Now number 2. There you go. Now hopefully this will be the end of the Jiminy Cricket, or the cricket sound it makes on the GU patrols so far, I've noticed. This one, yes I do. Okay. Usually you gotta tighten them up by hand all the way, because you won't get the spanner, well I'm sorry, you won't get the ratchet in. Spanner you will, but not a ratchet, because you got the fan, plus you got the fan protector or whatever the piece of plastic it's got in it. Don't know what patrol got them in, but obviously it does something. It does something for good foot. Is that the right way? No, that was not the right way. Wrong way. Righty tighty, lefty loosey, as the old saying goes. And obviously I can't get the spanner there. Spanner time. And that sounded like I was saying MC Hammer. So this usually will take about half an hour, man. No more. Breaker bar. Just make sure it's nice and tight on the bottom one. There we go, see? That's the difference from a spanner and a breaker bar, eh? That's tight enough. So we can get the ratchet in there. Now, grab your 19mm socket. And it's trying to fit it on. Obviously there's a specific way you gotta do it, or you won't get it in. That's not what I wanted. So to go over the alternator. It's gotta go over the alternator first, then the rest of the stuff. Okay, step 4 is you gotta put the belt on. Then you put your breaker bar in. Jesus, we need some force in this thing. And there you go. She's in. Just double check that all your belt is installed correctly. What I can see, she is pretty good. And now, the moment of truth. There you go. Jiminy Cricket is not a cricket anymore. Also, thanks for watching the small tutorial how to change a auto tensioning in a GU Patrol. This is a 2005 model. I guess the average Joe can actually pretty much do it. So yeah, thank you for enjoying this little episode of installing and changing an old part.